Good morning, everybody. This morning I'm going to show you how to put windshield wipers on a 2016 Ford Explorer. So if you need help with that, just stick around. This is the driver's side, the 26 inch, so it's an 18 by 260 Trico Flex. So for the driver's side, you have your wiper blade. In order to get the right adapter on here, I read the instructions, and it says that you have to have the BC for this type of universal application. So we need that. So in order to put that on, we have to remove the factory installed one. So that's just, I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. You push that pin back, and then it just tilts up. As you can see, you just tilt it up, and now this exposes this little set of dots. And on those little dots, the two little pegs here go into those holes in order to make it fit. So you just put it, and I'm gonna have to use two hands, but you put it right here, and it's not an excessive amount of force. You just gotta, you don't want to break the plastic or anything, but you get those lined up. I don't want to break the plastic, so let me just a second. Alright, so here's the bracket that I have to put on. There's the two little plugs. So you put it like this, and then you stretch it over. Seat one, and it's really not that hard. I'm going to take the other piece off that you have to take off, because if you can see in there it says B and C. You have to take the C off, and that might make it a little easier to bend and flex. So here we go. There we go. So there you go. See how it clips on there? Now the next step is to put this in the windshield wiper arm. Alright, to remove the old one, there's these clips right here, and you just push in on them, and that'll allow this to swing out. It will, trust me. See how it pushes up. Let's try this. And you saw how it just slides right out of there and twists, and then you just take it off. So that's how it comes off. So here's the new one, and here's the old one. The new one and the old one. So when we put this one on, to get this tab into here, we need to install it in this direction. So in order to install it, you put those tabs in down here at the bottom, and then you push on this, and there you go. And that's all it takes to install a new wiper blade. So if this helps you out, I really appreciate you guys watching, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.